There is no single best AI image generator, as the choice depends on specific needs, such as artistic quality, prompt understanding, or control and cost. This is surprising because most people think that one tool can handle all their image generation needs, but the reality is that each tool has its strengths and weaknesses. By the end of this video, you'll know how to choose the best AI image generator for your specific needs. By the end of this video, you'll be able to choose the best AI image generator for your specific needs and create high-quality images that save you time and money. Section 1. Pillar 1. Introduction to AI image generators. The difficulty in choosing the best AI image generator is a common problem faced by many entrepreneurs, freelancers, and professionals. With so many tools available, it can be overwhelming to decide which one to use, especially when each tool has its own strengths and weaknesses. Midjourney, DALL-E 3, and Stable Diffusion are three of the most popular AI image generators, but they cater to different needs and requirements. For example, Midjourney is ranked as the best overall AI image generator for atmosphere and artistic quality, while DALL-E 3 is best for prompt understanding and marketing. Stable Diffusion, on the other hand, offers maximum freedom for advanced users and the most control at a lower cost. Understanding the specific needs and requirements of each tool is crucial in making an informed decision. Section 2. Pillar 2. Top AI image generators. Compared Midjourney is best for professional-grade visual quality and artistic, high-polish marketing visuals with a focus on atmosphere and mood. DALL-E 3, on the other hand, shines when you need text-heavy designs like posters and mock-ups with built-in accuracy, making it ideal for marketing and advertising. Stable Diffusion offers the most control and lowest cost, especially if you're an advanced user who wants to fine-tune their images and have more creative freedom. When choosing an AI image generator, consider technical requirements such as API integration, local deployment, and no-code interface. Evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of each tool, and consider additional tools such as text generation, upscalers, and pan to fine-tune results, and achieve accurate spelling and image expansion. By considering these factors, you can make an informed decision and choose the best AI image generator for your specific needs. Section 3. Pillar 3. Tips and tricks for getting the most out of AI image generators. To get the most out of AI image generators, it's essential to understand how to use them effectively and efficiently. Start by defining your specific needs and requirements, and then choose the AI image generator that best fits your needs. Consider using additional tools such as text generation, upscalers, and pan to fine-tune results, and achieve accurate spelling and image expansion. Experiment with different prompts and settings to find what works best for you and your project. Don't be afraid to try new things and make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. By following these tips and tricks, you can unlock the full potential of AI image generators and take your visual content to the next level. Section 4. Pillar 4. Common mistakes to avoid when using AI image generators. One of the most common mistakes people make when using AI image generators is not defining their specific needs and requirements. This can lead to choosing the wrong tool for the job and wasting time and money. Another mistake is not experimenting with different prompts and settings, which can result in subpar results. Not considering additional tools such as text generation, upscalers, and pan can also limit the potential of AI image generators. By being aware of these common mistakes, you can avoid them and get the most out of AI image generators. Remember, the key to success is to understand your needs and choose the right tool for the job. Section 5. Pillar 5. Real-world applications of AI image generators. AI image generators have a wide range of real-world applications, from marketing and advertising to art and design. They can be used to create high-quality images for social media, websites, and other visual content. AI image generators can also be used to generate images for product demonstrations, tutorials, and other instructional content. In addition, they can be used to create artistic and creative images for personal or professional projects. The possibilities are endless, and the potential of AI image generators is vast. By understanding the capabilities and limitations of AI image generators, you can unlock their full potential and achieve your goals. Choose the right AI image generator for your needs. Use AI image generators effectively and efficiently. Avoid common mistakes when using AI image generators. By following these tips and tricks, you can unlock the full potential of AI image generators and take your visual content to the next level. If this saved you time or gave you an edge, subscribe to Klug. We post AI productivity content every week. Hit the like button if you learned something valuable today. What's your favorite AI image generator and how do you use it? Let us know in the comments below.